I'm just gonna film this. Hello, sorry, I'm actually gonna miss out 3 days of recording because I haven't been well the first, the first day we arrived actually at the campsite. I was massively dehydrated because I'd been out all night with Amy. Just like chilling and not drinking, so that was a smart move. So I literally got on a coach laughing about an ant called Rick.
Don't hit the phone. Don't hit the phone. You're vlogging?
Yeah, I am.
Hey, look, have you seen the fireworks?
Yeah, I was recording some earlier.
I like not being able to hear them, but see them.
Right. Anyway, yeah. And then the second night I've been on and off. Are you okay, Joe?
I'm falling over.
Yeah. Just grab hold of me if it starts flying. Yeah, second night everyone was trying to acclimatise and stuff. So literally, we had someone pass out and 2 people taken to hospital, stuff like that. So that was kind of a busy day.
Getting the fireworks.
I know, okay, I'll get the fireworks in the background then. There they are. It's hard. There we go. So yeah, so that time was kind of like spent trying to not pass out.
Trying to avoid the media very well, like.
Yeah, I'll explain that later on. And then the third day was actually today, and I just didn't have my camcorder on me because I was like, I was massively tired. I've now had about 20 hours sleep maybe, I think. First 3 nights I'd had about 10 hours, that's about it, so I was kind of suffering there. I'd just like to show you our camp gateway.
Do you know anyone called Rich?
Unit 54, Raindrops and Roses. I mean, like, seriously, that is some serious shit going on right there.
Then you're a dick, right?
Yep. Unit 54.
We're coming through a door. Everybody roll. We're Unit 54.
The one chant we didn't sing on our opening ceremony, yeah.
You're called Matt.
I weren't able to film any of that, but Amy got bits of it, I think, so I'll be using some of Amy's stuff. But yeah, so our camp's pretty much set up now. So there's tents and a table, apparently. Wise? Right, so there's a table. Right. I have no real light, so it's a lamp. Yeah, we have a light. We have we have a camp gate. We have a washing line. We have a table, some benches, paddling pool. We have our like shelters to keep us out of the sun for when we're not doing any sort of activity-based stuff, which is pimped up with lights. I mean, total lights. But yeah, so I'll explain a few other stuff later on. That's pretty much it at the minute. Sorry, Hannah. Yeah, that's about it for the time being. So, see you guys in a minute.